Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing the Boxycharm Premium unboxing. This is $35 a month, I believe. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. They do have a smaller box that's their standard box that's 20-something, 21, and then this one. And then they have Boxy Luxe, which is every 3 months. I do get all 3 because I'm extra, but this is this month's box. We'll go ahead and just dive right in. Before we do though, I did also order something with my charm points, so I just wanted to show you that real quick. I got the Dragon Beauty Dragon Fire Skin Protecting Potion. It says shake well before using. It is cruelty free and vegan. I don't color correct super often, but if I did, I would need a color corrector, and I don't have one right now, so I got this one. And I also do watch Nikita Dragon's channel, so I thought it would be nice to support her. Ooh, smells like paint. But that's what that looks like. So that's just to color correct to combat like yellowishness or anything like that. Also, the sun is going down, so I apologize for the darkness of this video. Okay, moving on to this part. Opening it up, it looks like this, and the card for this month says adore. So that's cute, very Valentine's-y-esque. There is a little advertisement on the back for the Boxy pop-up, which is just like when they have discounts on products that they sell, like makeup. I know they have had Beats before, just stuff like that, really cool stuff that you can get for cheaper. So first thing is this guy. This is by Perez. This is the White Blossom Body Butter. The shower gel, or the body wash that I'm using right now, is actually White Blossom. It's not by Perez, but that's cool. I do believe Perez is cruelty free, right? I'm 99% sure that Perez is cruelty free, but I don't see it on here anywhere. Okay. Yep, that smells so good. It smells just like my body wash, so this would be a good lotion to use right after the shower, just to really intensify the smell of my body wash. This retails for $32. It's kind of a lot for a body butter. My hair is crazy. I just got out of the shower, so like my hair is still wet, but this rich and luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our Shea Butter Moisturizer is the perfect lotion for dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. I'm down for those things, so all right. Don't have anywhere to put things. Next thing I see is this guy. This is by Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist, Hydrating and Glowing Radiance. So is this a setting spray? Yes, okay. To use a hydrating mist from 8 to 10 inches away, firmly press nozzle and mist 2 to 3 times across face. To use as a makeup prep and perfecting mist from 8 to 10 inches to refresh and set makeup. So yes, you can use this as like just like a daily little hydrator refresher, or you can use it to set your makeup or prep for your makeup. So that's exciting. I do like Glow Recipe. They always have such good smelling products. This is cute. You'd actually have to store it this way, it looks like, because this way is going to be rounder. I want to smell this so bad. Where's the little, okay. Yep, smells like watermelon and aloe. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like a limeade. That's what it smells like. That makes no sense, but that's what I'm getting. So excited about this. We'll definitely try it out in a video soon and talk more about it. And that retails for $28. Okay, next thing I'm super pumped about. This is by Hourglass. This is an ambient lighting blush. I have never tried Hourglass because they're expensive. So to get something in here is super, super exciting. The packaging is so, so pretty. It's like silver reflective. I didn't know I was getting this because I saw it in the little like teasers. What shade did I get? Does it have a shade? What? Dim Infusion, is that the shade? I guess, okay. So, what color is that? Oh, it's pretty. Okay, it's like a light pinky shade. Ooh, they're very soft. like a baked formula. And that's really light. That's so pretty though. I am super, super excited to try this. These are expensive. How much? Yeah, these are $40. So that's expensive. This alone is more than the box. Groundbreaking hybrid combines the customized lighting effects of ambient lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtakingly modern hues. The result is seamless, soft focus, and multi-dimensional color. So I'm pumped to try that. They are also cruelty-free and vegan. Next product is by Tarte. This is the Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I have tried this. I have a little sample size, and I do like it. It definitely does hydrate. So I'm excited to have the big guy in my life. I do like it a lot. So, and the packaging is super cute too. It's like got like a blue Aztec-y print on the top. I don't know. And then there's a pump. The little guy that I have is just like a little squeezy tube. Ooh, that was a lot. A little squeezy tube. Yeah, it smells good too. But it's just super hydrating, and it feels nice. I usually use this in conjunction with a pore primer, but it is very, very hydrating. So if you have dry skin, great, great, great. $30 for that one. Okay, what's next? This guy. This is a 24 karat gold foil moisturizer by Fascia. I'm not sure. 50 grams. I've never heard of this brand. It's cruelty free though. What do you do? 24 karat gold foil moisturizing cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture to the skin. This is $100. Okay. I hope I don't like this because I will have to repurchase it and I don't want to do that. But so it's a moisturizer that has gold in it and it costs $100. And I can't open it to show you it because I just got out of the shower and my nails are still wet. Also, this is like a terrible angle in my hair. Do I have scissors? No, I don't. Oh, there we go. We're getting somewhere. I do not want you to get into this thing, which it's $100, so it makes sense. Okay. Almost there. I'm almost out of my current moisturizer, so I mean, maybe I'll switch it out for this one once I get done. Maybe. Ooh, she fancy. Ooh, wow. That's really pretty. It's like, is this a hexagon? I think. 6 sides. And there's definitely gold in there. That's so cool. I'm gonna use like the time size amount of this and it's gonna be, whoa, like $20. Look at that, guys. It's so cool. There's like actual gold in there. I'm just gonna take the smallest amount and rub it on the back of my hand to see. Oh, that's so weird. You can actually see the gold flecks, but they kind of disappear. Super moisturizing. Smells, what does that smell like? I don't know. It smells just like clean, but also slightly coconutty maybe? Oh no, I'm pumped for this though. This is pretty. This would be really cool to like display too. If you guys display any of your stuff, mine's all tucked away in drawers, but I would display that. Okay, last thing in here is by Cruelty. This is the Picante Palette. I've never used anything by Cruelty, so this is exciting for me. I guess I didn't know I was getting this one, but there were a few different eyeshadow options and this was one of them, so I knew there was a chance I was getting this. This retails for $29. 21 shadows, $29. That's not terrible at all. So here's what the packaging looks like. There's not a mirror in here. I don't know, is Cruelty like high-end or drugstore? I don't know. These are really pretty shades of very warm tones. I'm going straight for that purple. Go figure. But let's go ahead and swatch some. I'm gonna swatch that purple shade called Sass. We're gonna do Harvest, and we'll do Embers. We'll just do the center row here. Look like that. Stay. Okay. I'm not like blown away, but I'm not mad at it either, so we'll definitely try that out. Okay. That's everything, you guys. Let's do a quick little recap here. We got the palette, which I'm excited about. I'm always excited for an eyeshadow palette. That's like my weakness. I need to do a declutter soon and get rid of some. The lotion, I'm like, okay. I'm not mad at it, but I'm not like super stoked for a lotion either, so that's fine. The blush, I am pumped about. I'm very, very excited to try an Hourglass product. The mist, I'm excited about. I don't know why I like trying setting sprays so much, but I do, so I'm excited to get one of those. I already know I like the base tape primer, so that's exciting. And this mask is exciting just because of how much it's worth, and it looks really pretty. So overall, I think this was a really good box. Like I'm pumped for it. So yeah, that's everything. Let me know down below if you guys got this box, if you got anything different, what you thought about it, what you like, what you don't like, all that fun stuff. And don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.